Welcome to my Advanced Database Management System course. In this section, we discuss about monitoring and alerting, monitoring tools, monitor key metrics, implement automated monitoring. Let's enjoy. Monitoring and alerting are essential components of database management, providing insights into system health, performance, and availability. Here are some best practices for monitoring and alerting in database management. 1. Define monitoring objectives. Define clear objectives and goals for monitoring, such as identifying performance bottlenecks, detecting anomalies, ensuring data availability, and meeting service level agreements, SLAs. 2. Select monitoring tools. Choose appropriate monitoring tools and solutions that meet the requirements of your database environment. Consider factors such as scalability, compatibility, features, and ease of use when selecting monitoring tools. 3. Monitor key metrics. Monitor key performance metrics such as CPU utilization, memory usage, disk I/O, network throughput, query latency, transaction throughput, and database connections. Track these metrics over time to identify trends and deviations from normal behavior. 4. Establish baselines. Establish baseline performance metrics for your database system under normal operating conditions. Use historical data and performance benchmarks to define baseline thresholds and detect deviations from expected performance levels. 5. Implement automated monitoring. Implement automated monitoring solutions that continuously collect and analyze performance data in real time. Use automated monitoring scripts, agents, or monitoring platforms to streamline data collection, analysis, and reporting processes. 6. Set up alerts. Configure alerts and notifications to proactively alert administrators and stakeholders about performance issues, anomalies, and potential problems. Set up alert thresholds based on baseline metrics, performance objectives, and criticality of the monitored parameters. 7. Define escalation policies. Define escalation policies and procedures for handling alerts and incidents. Establish clear roles, responsibilities, and escalation paths for responding to alerts, diagnosing problems, and resolving issues in a timely manner. 8. Monitor database logs. Monitor database logs, error logs, and audit logs for warning signs, error messages, and security events. Analyze log data to identify performance bottlenecks, security breaches, and operational issues that require attention. 9. Correlate metrics and events. Correlate performance metrics with system events, database activities, and workload patterns to gain deeper insights into performance trends and root causes of issues. Use correlation analysis to identify cause and effect relationships between different metrics and events. Conduct capacity planning. Use monitoring data and performance trends to conduct capacity planning and resource allocation. Forecast future capacity requirements based on growth projections, workload patterns, and performance trends to ensure scalability and optimal resource utilization. Regularly review and tune alerts. Regularly review alerting configurations, alert thresholds, and alerting rules to ensure that they remain relevant and effective. Fine-tune alerting parameters based on feedback, changes in workload, and evolving business requirements. 12. Document monitoring procedures. Document monitoring procedures, alerting configurations, and incident response workflows for reference and knowledge sharing. Maintain up-to-date documentation of monitoring tools, metrics, alerts, and escalation procedures. By following these best practices for monitoring and alerting, database administrators can proactively detect, diagnose, and resolve performance issues, ensure data availability, and maintain the health and reliability of their database systems. Continuous monitoring, analysis, and optimization are essential for effectively managing database environments and meeting the performance objectives of the organization. Thanks for watching the Advanced Database Management System lesson. Hope you enjoy the lesson. To learn more about Database Management System, please check the next lesson. Never stop learning. Thanks once again to enjoy the lesson.